I'm testing here the SmallRig wireless follow focus kit Lite. Wireless focus comes handy when you're pulling focus with manual lenses. And when you can't reach the camera, like when using gimbals or rigging camera in distance, this is a great tool when shooting yourself. Yeah, let's see how it performs. Here we have Hollyland's wireless video and Portkeys monitor to control the camera settings remotely. And of course the SmallRig wireless follow focus hand wheel. Everything is powered with one V-Lock battery and is decorated with the stylish Bolex hand grip, which I modded for this occasion. The cheese plate is from Niceyrig and I really like this detail of 1/4-inch threads on the side. There's a slight latency, but it doesn't seem to be an issue. The range of this unit is quite okay. You know, I'm over here and you're over there. It doesn't have any fancy settings like inverting the hand unit's direction or torque settings, and it makes quite an annoying sound. Changing the motor's direction. You just turn the motor around or swap it into the other side. That is why I have this 2-barreled camera rig. This is my second unit, by the way. The first one was flawed and did some weird drifting and didn't calibrate properly, and that says something about the SmallRig's quality. One big flaw is the hand unit has an integrated battery and it isn't a long-lasting decision. Is it going to be a year or two when it will go out of order? Compared to Nucleus M, which got changeable batteries, Tilta's system is much more advanced and of course more expensive. And it's more professional in general. The SmallRig wireless focus is okay if you know the limits. Now I'm trying to pull focus when I'm walking towards the camera. I can't walk and talk at the same time and pull focus. There you go. This is the closest with the 100mm. So I got this unit mostly for the gimbal work, camera gimbals and other solo work. I'd never use this when I'm shooting handheld or with the sticks because, you know, it's noisy and bulky, and good old follow focus is much more flexible, silent, more reliable.